Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making Philly cheesesteak. You will need 2 pounds of ribeye steak, 15 ounces of Cheez Whiz, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 white onion, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 hoagie bun, and vegetable oil for frying. To make your steak easier to handle, place it in the freezer for at least 45 minutes before attempting to slice. Slice the steak into thin strips, then chop into smaller pieces. Now prepare your onions. To make the cheese sauce, using medium-low heat, bring a small pot to temperature, then add the Cheez Whiz and heavy cream. Stir your sauce until it has a cream-like consistency. Now add the vegetable oil to the onions. Using medium heat, bring your cast iron skillet to temperature, then saute your onions. Allow your onions to cook until they are just translucent. Remove your onions from the pan and set them aside until later. Now fry your steak. The key to a great cheesesteak sandwich is allowing the meat to cook slowly but evenly. Return the onions to the pan, then season with the salt and pepper. Continue cooking for an additional 2 minutes, and then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to craft.